Happy Monday and welcome back to the next video. Today I just wanted to go through something really quick, which is just how to buy shares on NAB Trade. I remember when I first started buying my shares through NAB, I wasn't exactly sure what everything meant, and so I thought I'd just make a super quick and easy video just to show you the basics of how to purchase your first share. So first, obviously we need to go to the NAB Trade website. Just go to log in. Once you log in, you'll see a whole stack of really useful information just right at the start. So you've got the price of the All Ordinaries, or you can choose the S&P, ASX 200. You can see the price fluctuation since today's open. Down here you've got the sectors heat map, so you can see the different industries and how well they're doing overall. But to buy a share, you just go up to the search box here and enter the ticker symbol for the share that you're wanting to buy. So if you wanted to buy NAB shares, just go NAB, ASX. And here's the page for NAB shares. It's obviously got all your useful information, including charts, news announcements, research, and everything else that you might need to research the share. And then in order to buy, all you have to do is just go up here to buy, and then simply select the account that you want to use to buy the shares. And then here at the amount type, you can either go quantity or value. Quantity means you're buying a set number of shares. So you could buy 15 shares, for example. If you wanted to go based on value, so say you've got a set amount of money that you want to spend, maybe $1,000, so you could put $1,000 of value into the value, and that's how much you'll end up buying. Then in the order type, you've got limit and market. So market just means it'll purchase the shares at whatever the going market price is. Limit means you can set the price that you want it to buy it at. So currently we can see that it's trading around $15.17, so we might want to wait until it gets down to $15 a share. So we put $15 in, and then as soon as the share price hits $15, it'll purchase the shares for you. And then down in duration, you've got good till cancelled, good for day, or good till date. Good till cancelled is pretty self-explanatory. It just means the order will stay open until you cancel it. Good for day just means it'll stay open until the close of the share market for the day. And then close till date, obviously you can set it to expire at a certain date if it hasn't purchased those shares. I've only got $3 in my spending account at the moment. So we'll just go review order, enter your trading pin. You can review the order. Enter your trading pin, submit order, and then that will go into your orders tab here, and it should show up. Once it's been fulfilled, it will just say no results returned, and there you have it. You've bought your first shares. Hope that's of some use. Let me know if you've got any questions down below, and I'll see you in the next video.